everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another video, and for today's video I created this makeup look right here, which is very subtle, very soft, but yet very glamorous. And so I created a soft foxy eye makeup look with red hot lips. So if you want to know how I achieved it, so please keep on watching. And if you are new here, thank you for stopping by, and please do consider subscribing to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And now without further ado, let's directly dive into the video. To prep and moisturize my skin very well, I have used my favorite Cetaphil moisturizer. Along with that, I have used Squalene oil. So my base looks very glowy and very healthy. And for lips, I am using Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask to hydrate them. And for primer, I am using Becca Backlight Priming Filter. I am just using one drop, that's enough. And I am applying it all over my face. So you can see how much glow it already have provided to my skin. First of all, I am doing concealing on my eyelids and under my eyes and areas around my mouth. So basically wherever I need it. And blending it with Beauty Blender. This one is from Sigma. For foundation, I am using Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the shade Warm Nude, and you can see it is a perfect match for me right now. So and I am blending it with a Beauty Blender. So I'm working with very thin layer of the foundation. So I'm gonna apply 2 layers here because I'm using very little product, little by little, so I can see if the foundation doesn't look cakey and my base yet looks very full coverage and very glowy. Now moving on to brows, I am using Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in the shade 4 medium, I guess. Yeah, that is the shade. I'll list all the shade name and product names in the description box below, so you guys can check that out. I'm very lightly filling in my brows and I'm following the natural shape of my brows, so it doesn't look fake and unnatural. And I'm gonna quickly complete my other eyebrow and I'll be right back. So moving on to the eyes, I'm taking Desert Sand shade from Huda Beauty Desert Dust palette and I'm applying it on all over my eyelids, so it sets and other shades doesn't get creased. Now I'm taking an eyeshadow brush, a dense eyeshadow brush, and with that I am taking Musk shade from the palette and I am applying it just in the outer corner in upward motion, and I am flicking it up and I am blending it upwards. I am not taking a shade into the crease at all, so crease will be blank. Crease में कोई भी shade नहीं लाना है हमें. So I'm just flicking it out and then I'm blending it with a fluffier brush, so it looks little smoother and it doesn't look like a harsh line. And now I am taking the mix of two shades, Musk and Eden, So eyeshadow looks little warmer because musk is a very cool toned eyeshadow, and I want a little warmer tones on my eyes. So yeah, I'm just adding little warmer shade to balance it out. Now I'm taking a angular eyeliner brush, and with that I'm taking oat shade from the palette, and I'm just creating a wing with the shadow. As you can see here, first I'm drawing like a wing eyeliner with a shadow. And then I'm taking a smudger brush and I'm just smudging out that line which I have created earlier. Again in upward strokes, and I'm flicking it out in upward direction and outwards, so my eyes looks lifted. So it is all about lifting your eyes up with the help of the eyeshadow. Now again I'm taking an angular eyeshadow brush and I'm taking black shade from my ABH palette, and I'm again drawing a wing liner with the shadow. And smudging it with the smudger brush, again in upward strokes and outward direction. And now I'm taking a fluffier brush and blending it seamlessly, so it doesn't look like harsh line and all shades looks bring together. And now again I'm taking that bone shade from the palette and I'm applying it into my crease with the clean flat brush, so the crease looks clean and sharp. And now I'm taking Inglot gel liner, and with that I'm creating a thin line closest to my upper lash line, and I'm bringing the liner pointy at my inner corner, as you can see here. So what this will do, this will give the illusion of elongated and lifted eyes. So I am just following the upper lash line and shape of my upper lash line and inner corners, and I am not bringing it down. As you can see here, I am bringing it straight, so that way my eyes will look a little lifted. And here without any product I am just swinging it out little. As you can see here, I am just creating a shadow here. I am not creating a wing liner, I am just creating a little shadow, and then gonna quickly do my other eye and I'll be right back. Now I'm going to highlight my under eyes using Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Neutralizer, I guess, yeah. And I'm applying it on the usual places wherever I want to highlight my features, like under the eyes, on bridge of my nose, and little bit around my mouth as well, because I'm wearing a dark lipstick and it is necessary so that my face looks little brighter and lifted. So here you can see how it is cleaning and lifting the face up and eyes up. So yeah. Now I'm setting my under eyes, and wherever I conceal basically using a loose powder. This one is from Becca Cosmetics. So you can see here how it sharpened the eyeshadow even further. Now I'm going to do a cream contouring here. I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Cafe. Yeah, I will list all the shade name in the description box, so don't forget to check it out. So I'm drawing a line here under the cheekbone, under jawline, and on the forehead as well. Now I'm taking a foundation brush and blending my contour upwards. I'm not bringing it downwards. That way face will look droopy. So I'm keeping it upwards, as you can see here. And on the jawline, I will blend it downwards. So. Now I'm taking a Hoola bronzer and contouring my nose like so. And I'm setting the contour with the bronzer as well, wherever I cream contoured. Now I'm taking a cream blush and applying it on my cheeks. This one is from Shiseido, and I'm blending it with my fingers. And this blush is beautiful. I will list the shade name in the description box below. Now I am highlighting my face using Becca Moonstone highlighter, and I am adding it onto the high points of my face as usual. I'm adding little bit extra on my nose tip. And yeah, I'm highlighting my brow bones as well. And a little bit on the inner corner as well to make them brighter. And adding little bit highlighter on my collarbones and a little bit on my shoulder as well. I mean, who doesn't want to glow all over, right? So yeah. And finally I'm curling my lashes and going to add a coat of mascara. I'm going to add 2 coats here, and you can go with the falsies as well, but for this look I don't feel like I need a falsies. But yeah, adding falsies is always going to amp up and glam up the look even further. So yeah, you can do that if you want. Now my favorite part, lipstick. I'm going to apply a very hot red color here. This one is from Physicians Formula. I will mention the shade name down below. And yeah, so be careful while applying a dark lipstick, because you can't afford a mistake, right? So yeah. So yeah, this is the final finished look. I personally love wearing this kind of looks, which looks full on glam but yet very subtle and very soft. So yeah, let me know your thoughts on this video, and please do consider subscribing to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. I will see you all super soon in my next video, because I have a big surprise for all of you guys, so be prepared. And yeah, I will meet you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.